HUAWEI Mate 20, and let me show you how to perform the hard reset operation that device by using the secret code. So at the very beginning, let's unlock the screen just by using the power key and by swiping the screen. Then let's open the phone's dialer and let's use the secret code *pound *pound 2846579 ###. As you can see, the project menu just pops up, so here you can navigate by tapping appropriate options. Let's choose here Restore Factory. And to begin the hard reset operation and to erase all personal data, customize settings and install apps, let's tap OK. That's it, the device is formatting itself, so we have to wait until the whole process will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. As you can see, reset is successful. Now let's tap shutdown and let's simply press power key to turn back on the device. The HUAWEI is switching on, let's wait a few seconds. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops up, so it means that the hard reset is done. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.